Here at American Buffalo Knife and Tool, we've been in business for about 13 years, making product that you can use every day without breaking the bank. So we want to introduce you to our Cattleman Multitool, a CC20. It's a very thin profile multi-tool that fits in your pocket like a knife. It's got a pair of pliers and wire cutter that are lockable. It's got an adjustable wrench on the other end so that you can use it for whatever bolt you need to loosen up. It's got a knife blade in the top, and then this got bits inside that you slide out, and they're held in the end with a magnet so you don't lose them. And there's 3 different bit styles. And it's very thin, comes with a pocket clip, so it sits in your pocket like a knife. That's our Cattleman Multi-Tool at American Buffalo Knife and Tool. The inserts are held in here in a cavity, and you slide them out from the inside cavity. They go in the end in a slot held in with a magnet, or they also can go in the side right here if you need a little more torque. But there's 3 different bits that are held inside the handle of the knife.